Hello and welcome to the TaxTron Support YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn how to use the optimization feature in the TaxTron software while preparing a tax return that is linked with your spouse. First, you need to open your TaxTron software and click on the optimization option in the top menu bar. You will see two options here. Pension optimization: if you have pension income, you can split up to 50% of it with your spouse. Refund maximizer: when you have non-refundable tax credits, you can share these with your spouse to maximize the benefits. In this video we will only cover how to split the pension amount with your spouse. So let's start by preparing the linked tax return of taxpayer and spouse. For example, I have entered the taxpayer's T4 income as $85,000 and the spouse's income as $52,000. Both are currently owing money to the CRA. Taxpayer also has T4A pension income of $55,000, which increases his total income to $140,000. He wants to split 50% of his pension income with his spouse. To do this, we will add Form T1032 to the taxpayer's tax return. On that form, check box A: are you electing to transfer part of your pension income to your spouse? Next, go to the spouse's tax return, add the T1032 form, and select box B. That says, if not, are you in receipt of a transfer of pension from your spouse? Once that's done, go to Optimization at the top and select Pension Optimization. Drag the slider to the end of the line, as shown in the video, and then click on Calculate, and then Optimize. You will see the pension income split 50/50ths. The total savings amount will appear in the bottom left. Click Accept to finalize. Now, you will notice that $27,500 of the pension income is added to the spouse's return, and $27,500 remains in the taxpayer's return. And that's how you can split pension income in just a few simple steps. Well, that's all for this video. We will cover the refund maximizer feature in our next video, so make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching.